Good morning. Today I am going to refer one Supreme Court judgment that may not be useful for practicing lawyers, probably because it's give a bad alarm, red alarm. The grant of suspension of sentence and bail pending appeal in grave cases particularly. See, grant of bail pending investigation trial is a question of uh, liberty, a question of liberty, somewhat rights guaranteed in the Constitution of India, because it has been yet to be decided whether he is innocent or guilty, because we follow adversarial system of criminal jurisprudence. But one thing you should understand, that after conviction, grant of bail, suspension of sentence is interfering with administration of justice. Because some court, by administration of justice, verdicted and convicted. So that must be administration, interfering with the administration of justice. But while granting bail pending appeal, there may be arguable point. Justice K.N. Basha used to dictate there are arguable points, valid arguable points for appeal, and possibility of listing the appeal near future, since it's not practically possible due to pouring in of multi-number of criminal appeals, suspension of sentence is granted. But here, the lower court seems to have granted suspension of sentence, but the Supreme Court has given some theoretical judgment, distinguishing what to do, what not to do. So this judgment will be helpful for the students who are pursuing for postgraduate and also want to write something special, extraordinary while answering questions, and particularly the public prosecutor aspirants who are supposed to write examination by written paper shortly. This would help you how this judgment. AR 2021, Saguntala Shukla vs. State of Uttar Pradesh. 389, suspension of sentence. 302, that is CRPC. 302, murder amounting to culpable amounting to 149, unlawful assembly with deadful weapon. 205, causing disappearance of evidence. 120B is conspiracy. So they say order lacks total clarity on which part of judgment and order can be said to be submissions and which part can said to be findings. It does not even reflect submission of public prosecutor opposing bail. Detailed counter-evidence by the state has not even referred by High Court. Manner in which High Court has disposed bail application cannot be approved. The brain to brain sentencing. Then they say the judgment, it must be reasonable, logical, easily comprehensible. Judicial opinion is to be written by such way that it elucidates in convincing manner and proves that verdict is righteous and judicious. Therefore, it is desirable that judgment should have clarity both on facts and law and submission, finding, reasoning, and ultimate relief granted. Then they say here they have referred a lot of judgments, but which draw my attention was, they say judgment, this is most important, judgment replicates the individuality of the judge. Therefore, it is indispensable that it be written with care and concern. That is most important. Okay, that much is today. So this is only for academic interest you must read, and public prosecutors and those who have cases defending for victims may have the judgment or file and record, I hope. And yesterday rain alerting, alarming, lot of precautions were given, but however this administration of present government is alarm. I practically appraise them, but these medias are trying to explore a lot of things, but failed with practically when we notice these media's news, it seems to be artificial, because the person who is on spot seems to be somewhat staging some serial, nothing on his face. All these things are happening, that's all right, whatever it may be. We have somewhat managed this hurdle of depression. So what is depression, what is cyclone, what is hurricane, that was explained. Lot of things to be understand, and this is natural. It happens. Aipasi, Adaimazhai, that was our people taught, our forefathers taught. Aipasi, Adaimazhai, Kartigai, Katru Mazhayum, Puratasi, Ponnuruga Kayum, Mannuruga Peyum. These all are that. We have to manage that. I hope you all understand. Best wishes.